Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make our Mauritian style chicken curry just using store-bought curry powder. This recipe is perfect for beginners, but today I'm making a big batch of it and this can feed an army. I'm using about like 6 pounds of chicken. This is a whole chicken, like 2 whole chicken. I have cut them into medium pieces. Here I have potatoes cut into medium cubes, and over here I have tomatoes cut like roughly chopped, onion roughly chopped, ginger and garlic. It's about 2 inches the ginger and about 6-7 cloves of garlic. We need salt and curry powder. I'm using hot curry powder, so I'm not gonna add any green chilies. So if you're using mild curry powder, then you can add like few green chilies to this, or maybe some dry red chilies, or you can just leave it mild. We also need some oil and just a couple of stuff that we're gonna be needed for last minute. And these are going to blend into a paste. For now, let's go to the stove. We're gonna start. Oil is preheating. This is about 1 cup of oil. We have a lot of chicken. I'm not gonna wait for the oil to get too hot because I want to fry these potatoes. And if you're gonna put potatoes in hot oil, they split everywhere, but that's fine. It's nothing gonna happen. Just put the potatoes in a low temperature oil. I like to fry my potatoes when I make our Mauritian style chicken curry, because if you keep the curry next day, the potatoes, it stays a little bit soft. If you just add the raw potatoes into the curry and let it cook together, and the next day the potatoes goes hard. So I like to fry mine. So it's gonna take about 6 minutes over medium-low heat to fry this. Okay guys, now it's time to remove the potatoes on a plate, and we're just gonna set this on a side. Now to the same oil, I'm gonna drop some curry leaves. Right away I'm gonna add my chicken. Add salt. I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons salt to taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and then mix everything well. And the heat is over medium-high. The chicken was cooking like that for 10 minutes. All we are looking for, a little brown color and the chicken seared, so there is no water and you don't see the raw chicken. The chicken is not cooked, but you don't see the raw chicken. So we are looking for saute the chicken a little bit, so it's been like 10 minutes over medium-high heat. And now the paste that I have blended, I'm gonna add that. We're gonna give this a mix as well. And now I'm gonna add my curry powder. Like I said, I'm using hot curry powder, so I'm not gonna add any more chilies. If you're using mild, then you can just, according to your taste, add chilies. Give this a good mix. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of more salt since we add a paste. And now to the same bowl that I have the paste, I add a little bit of water, so we're gonna add water. Okay. And then mix. Add the potatoes that we have fried earlier. Stir that as well. Cover and let this cook until completely done, and then we're gonna add like peas, green peas, and some like chopped coriander. So for now, let this cook But in the meantime, and in between, you have to keep stirring it so it does not burn or it gets too dry. If it's getting dry and the chicken is not cooked, then you can add more water. It's been 25 minutes. We're gonna open the lid. I did open the lid. I did stir this chicken, and I have added just a little bit more water, and this chicken is cooked completely. And right now I have reduced the heat a little bit, and now we're gonna add some chopped coriander and frozen peas. This peas will defrost in half a minute. If yours doesn't take half a minute to defrost, then I will suggest to add it at the time you're gonna add your potatoes. And give that a mix. And then this is ready to serve. Smell in this kitchen is incredible right now. Get the best curry powder you can get and make this dish. Make this recipe. It is that simple to make, and it is that good to eat. You guys can see I have made my roti over here, and that means it's ready. Dinner is ready, guys. A nice hot chicken curry, Mauritian style, with the Mauritian style roti or paratha. Both recipe are in the description box down below. I have added the link for you, so if you have not seen my roti or paratha video, then go ahead and check that and make the roti or the paratha together with this chicken curry. You're gonna love it, and the whole household gonna love it, because the smell gonna bother you. I'm telling you guys. If you haven't subscribed for this channel, please do, and don't forget to click the notification bells and like this video. I will see you next time. Bye.